Hello everyone. Leave the front portion of the hair in the front. Make a slight zigzag pattern and then section off the central portion of the hair. Then take a pair of scissors, cut it right through the center. Once again, pull the comb through it and then begin to make vertical cuts right through it. Do this until it reaches the top. Take your comb and then keep it at chin level and then cut off the hair according to the chin level. Take these two metallic sticks and then heat it up using a lighter. For this, start off by taking the central portion of the hair after it being heated up and then twist the central portion of the hair outwardly as such. This should give it a slightly puffed up look. Next, take the section of the hair from the front, put a comb through it. After you have done this, take a pair of scissors and then begin to cut it. After you are trimming it, slowly begin to shift the position of your comb. As the rest of the hair has a slight bob cut as well, this particular set of bangs will suit it very well. Taking the pair of the scissors, once again make a diagonal cut in such a way that it merges in with the center. After this, proceed to make vertical cuts into the hair as such. Merge it in with a little bit of the central portion of the hair once again. Begin to make the diagonal cut and then move upwards as you proceed. This entire hairstyle should look like an inverted U. Next, take two sections of the hair from the front. After taking these two sections, pull the comb through to it. Pull the comb through till the lip level and then cut off the hair at that level. After pulling the comb through, this time leave it at chin level and then begin to cut it through as such. After you have cut it through, this is what it should look like. Take a small section of the hair, that is the section on the left side. Once more, pull the comb through. Slightly position the comb to be in a diagonal shape and then a little bit under it, cut the hair in a diagonal shape as well. However, don't compromise on the time as this may take a little bit of time, but the end result looks very nice. This time use a flat iron, move it outwards so that it gives it a slightly puffed up look. Taking the sections from the front, divide it into three parts. Pull the comb through it and then take the pair of scissors and then cut it accordingly as well. After you are done with this, once again pull the comb through. Now diagonally cut the hair in the other direction. So after you have made this shape, take the other side of the hair and then diagonally cut that side as well. Once again put in the comb and then begin to make your vertical cuts into it. These vertical cuts give it more shape, give it more space and then give it an overall more natural, complete look. Now taking the left section of the hair once again and then use the hair straightener in order to get it into shape. This should give it a slightly curved shape as such. However, it very nicely and softly frames the face. Next, take the section from the front, put the pair of scissors through and then put the comb through it. Make it in a slightly diagonal position. Then take a pair of scissors and then diagonally cut it through as such. Make some vertical cuts into it. Clump some of the sections of the hair together as this gives it a more appealing look. Cut off the small piece of the hair that wasn't cut before. Trim the edges if need be. Take the flat iron and each of the sections that you have created, puff it outwards as such. After you puff it out, slightly simply twist it. This way it will all face in one direction. Now for our next hairstyle, start off by taking the two sections on the side and the front and then cut it accordingly. Do the same with the rest of the hair as well and cut it at chin level as such. Now take the hair, pull a comb through it and then begin to diagonally cut it while holding it with your fingers. Take the hot flat iron and then curve it slightly, puff it out. Thank you for watching.